Infinix Zero 34G unboxing, first impressions, and camera samples. We share our thoughts on the upcoming Infinix Zero 34G with a 50MP selfie camera, curved AMOLED screen and MediaTek Helio G99 Society. Aside from the above-mentioned specs, it comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, JBL-tuned speakers and dual SIM support. At the back are the 108MP f1.7 main camera, and 2MP f2.4 depth sensor with quad LED flash, while in front is the 50MP f2.5 selfie camera. In the Philippines, the Infinix Zero 34G is priced at 9,999 Philippine pesos. Let's dive in. Unboxing, accessories. It comes in a grey and rose gold colored box with the iconic Infinix diagonal line pattern. Around the box are the Infinix branding with the key features, specs and regulatory information. Inside the box are the Zero 34G, documentation, bumper case, SIM ejector tool, USB-A to Type-C cable, and the 45W wall charger. There are no included earphones inside the box. Build quality, design. From afar, you immediately notice the eye-catching teal. Upon closer inspection, you will see that the teal has a fox leather texture with gold trim and accents. It's eye-catching but not the best combination they could have made. The screen is a 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED with a 2400 by 1080 resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, a 1920Hz PWM dimming and a 360Hz touch sampling rate. It is Gorilla Glass Protect Ed. Around the panel are slim side bezels with the top and chin bezel thicker than the rest. On the upper part of the display is the punch hole that houses the selfie camera. On top of the phone is the first speaker grill, Infinix branding and microphone port, while at the bottom are the second speaker grill, USB-C, microphone port and SIM tray. On the left side is a smooth surface, while on the right side are the volume rocker and the power button. Both buttons are plastic and have a somewhat unsatisfying clicky feel when pressed. The SIM tray can carry up to 2 SIM cards and it has a red rubber gasket that indicates a form of water and dust resistance. At the back of the phone is the 108MP f1.7 main camera with PDAF, a 2MP f2.4 secondary, and a 2MP f2.4 tertiary camera with a quad LED flash. The stock camera apps modes include AI cam, video, film, portrait, super night, slow motion, time lapse, short video, sky shop, pro, panorama, super macro, documents, dual video, and AR space. The Pro mode allows for controls of ISO 100, 6400, shutter speed 30 and in 1500 seconds, EV +2, focus and white balance. All of the daylight images have a vibrant and eye-catching color with a warmer tone. The contrast and sharpness are decent too. Our only concern is that the auto exposure allowed for the sun to be somewhat overexposed. When shooting close-ups, the main rear camera's depth of field is deep enough to keep the subject in focus while keeping the background out of focus. The bokeh isn't the smoothest but is more than good enough. In indoors, the images have noticeable grain that has slightly reduced the sharpness of the image. The color remains vibrant with a warmer tone. Both daylight selfies and portrait selfies are detailed, sharp and contrasty. Even though the colors are vibrant, the skin tones don't look right. Other key features of the phone include an in-display fingerprint scanner, face unlock, IP54 water and dust resistance, JBL tuning, 4G, Bluetooth, FM radio, NFC, and GPS. Infinix Zero 34G specs. Display: 6.78-inch Gorilla Glass protected 3D curved AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate, 360Hz touch sampling rate, 1920Hz PWM dimming, FHD plus 2400 by 1080 resolution at 388 pixels per inch. CPU: 2.4 GHz 6nm MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor. GPU: Mali G57 square megacoulombs. RAM: 8GB. ROM: 256GB. Back camera: 108MP f1.7 with PDAF plus 2MP f2.4 plus 2MP f2.4 plus quad LED flash. Selfie: 50MP f2.5 with PDAF plus dual microslit flash. Battery: 5000 mAh with 45W supercharge. OS: Android 13 with XOS 13. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 802.11a, B per gram, N, AC, 5 GHz, 2.4 GHz, 4G LTE, Bluetooth, FM radio, NFC, GPS, dual SIM. Sensors: accelerometer, light, orientation, proximity, gyroscope, sound, magnetic. Others. In-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, IP54 water splash and dust resistance, stereo speakers, JBL tuning, high-res audio, DTS audio, vacuum chamber liquid cooling system, USB-C, colors, golden hour, misty green, pearly white. Dimensions, 164, 5 by 75 by 7.9 mm. Weight, 185 g. As of the moment,